DIQEM presents. The most important MCQs question of the Constitution of Islamic Republic of Pakistan, 1973. Question number 1. The Constitution of Pakistan, 1973 was enforced on. Answer: 14th August, 1973. Next, the Constitution of 1973 consists of how many articles as originally passed? Answer: 289. Next, who is the head of state under the 1973 Constitution? Answer: President. Next, the real executive authority under the Constitution vests in the answer: Prime Minister. Next, the minimum age for the office of the President is answer: 40 years. Next, the Constitution of 1973 provides for a answer: federal parliamentary form of government. Next, who administers the oath to the President? Answer: Chief Justice of Pakistan. Next, the National Assembly's tenure under the Constitution is answer: 5 years. Next, the Constitution of 1973 declares Pakistan as answer: an Islamic Republic. Next, which article declares Islam as the state religion? Answer: Article 2. Next, fundamental rights are enshrined in which part of the Constitution? Answer: Part 2. Next, right to fair trial is guaranteed under. Answer: Article 10A. Next, the Senate of Pakistan consists of how many members after 25th Amendment? Answer: 96. Next, which article guarantees freedom of speech? Answer: Article 19. Next, the Prime Minister is elected by answer: National Assembly. Next, Islamic provisions of the Constitution are mentioned in answer: Part 9. Next, the Election Commission of Pakistan is constituted under answer: Article 218. Next, who has the power to dissolve the National Assembly? Answer: President. Next, under which article is emergency declared? Answer: Article 232, Article 233, Article 234. Next, objective resolution was made part of the Constitution under which article? Answer: Article 2A. The end. Wait for the next video.